What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Let's jump into this recap here. As you see right behind me there, I have MYOS on watch, looking for this VWAP break here, but to be brutally honest with you, I am not an MYOS fan. I've traded it. I don't even know if I've done well or bad or okay with it. All I know is that I have kind of like a bad taste in my mouth on it, and I'm kind of staying away from it for various reasons. Number one, that I don't feel confident with the ticker. I don't feel confident on the name for some reason. I'd have to go back and look into my history here. I haven't traded MYOS in a long time. That's number one. Number two, I don't like this daily. Like right now, this is not something that looks good to me in the least bit. Like with this massive gap up here, after that, like I feel like there's a lot of bag holders, right, that bought into this mess and then have been just, destroyed. So now they're like trying to get out of it. So I'm not really liking the daily, and small caps today haven't done a whole lot. So we're gonna go over this here in the next, few minutes here on the video, as well as my trade on the day. I got a live trade recorded. I am up on the day green, so we'll go over that as well. But now, before we do anything else and move any further, I need you to do me one quick favor, guys. I actually had some people reach out to me yesterday via social media, asking me how they could help the channel, if I had some sort of subscription service or if I had anything like that. And it's pretty cool that you guys do that. I'm super like humbled and flattered by that, that you guys find so much value in my channel that you want to help support it. So the only thing currently that I have is nothing that's paid for. Everything is free right now on my channel, and everything will be always free on my channel. Even if one day I have some sort of paid content, this is still going to exist, and you're still going to get the same value you get right now. No questions asked about that. But if you want to help support the channel, all you got to do is comment in the comment section below, smash the like button for me, and subscribe. When you do all three things, you feed the YouTube algorithm, and when that happens, the channel gets suggested more often, because YouTube is like, oh, people like the channel. And the more it gets suggested, the more eyeballs get on it, the more subs we get, and the more we grow. That's it. It's very simple. If you do that, you really, really help out the channel tremendously. If you want to go above and beyond, there's links in the description section to Webull. You download the app, you fund your account with $100, you get 2 free stocks, and those are valued between $1,200 to $1,400. This week I've showed on the last couple videos that I received a free stock on Monday. It was like $46, so that was a real nice win. Also, you have the scanners, trade ideas, the scanners I use every single day. You can see those in the links in the description section with a 15% off coupon code, as well as my link that you'll want to use. So that's it, guys. That's all there is. That helps out tremendously. Just liking, commenting, that feeds the YouTube algo. And believe me, it's a hungry sucker. Now let's go ahead and jump into this day here. So today, I tweeted out in the morning my watch list, okay? And when I did, I wrote, I didn't like anything, and I really didn't, and I still don't. MYOS right here, like, typically I'd be watching MYOS here for a break of VWAP, hold VWAP, I'll jump in, stop underneath VWAP, get this 90 minute creep up, crossover, push us up over to the new higher day, or at least a higher day test. That would be the plan. As you can see here, VWAP clear resistance, VWAP clear resistance, VWAP clear resistance. So now we're kind of rejecting off of it. So ideally here, I'd keep this on watch all day. And if we break VWAP, in the afternoon or before lunch, there might be a play there. But that's it for me. I'm glad I didn't trade this or take a starter entry there, because I'd probably get stopped out. So MYOS showing you what small caps have been doing all day long. SRNE is holding up really decently off of this gap up from yesterday. I mean, SRNE's been on a tear. Look at the 15-minute chart. That's a nice move. That's a real nice move. Real clean, small, low, not low volume, but low action, like very not too volatile, slow mover. Like I said, I like to watch these now because I want to get better at them. I don't trade them very well, just because I guess I get a little impatient, because I'm used to the volatile stuff. I'm used to the low floats, the Teslas, stuff like that that's moving fast. I'm in and out within a few minutes, not that I'm holding it for an hour or two. I think my longest trade so far as of recently, has been like 30 minutes. And I'm confident, I'm fine with that, right? So that was that. We had IEA with double bottom right here, real nice red to, well, not red to green move because it did go red here, I think. So boom, right through VWAP. I mean, that was a nice, I had a shot here at buy it at 460 for the move. I didn't, and I'm not even mad I didn't buy this because look, it just pushed, you know, halted, gapped up higher, so there would have been money to be made there. I would have sold some, if not most of my position, right? Because it almost moved the dollar. But then instant rejection. Look at that. Halted on the way down. Just nasty, nasty, nasty. Now it's fading. Like this daily must look weird. Yeah, that's what you'd expect that daily to look like right there. So nothing for me on IEA. Okay, so that rhymes. Sorry. So then you had HEPA was a big gapper, and this morning you had real nice red to green move. Same thing again. Boom. Just got slammed, destroyed. I've seen a lot of stocks over the last 2 days getting destroyed at that $5 level. Quick pierce through $5 or almost tap $5 and then bang, just get slammed right back down like Shaquille O'Neal, just stuffing you at the rim. So there is that one on HEPA. And let's see, what else did I have on watch? I think that was it as far as small caps go. It was HEPA, IEA, SRNE, MYOS. Then I had some larger cap stocks on watch. I had BA on watch, which BA, very tight range here, but I mean, there's been money to be made here. But however, very choppy, to be honest. We opened up on the gap up, you know, traded sideways, boom, new low. Then tried to pierce VWAP, rejected. VWAP again, rejected. Then see, like really, really choppy up and through VWAP a lot until now we finally extended up to try to test the high day. So honestly, this is not a very easy trade. It's not a very easy trade. No trades for me on BA. Then I also had NVAX on watch because NVAX, look at this. You haven't seen anything until you've seen this. Look at this. Was it NVAX? Should have been NVAX, if I'm not mistaken. Whoops. Yes, it is. There it is. This is NVAX yesterday. PR came out in after hours. Huge dump from the 150s all the way down here to 102, 103 area, right down there. Took it right back. Right back. And after hours, just took it right back. After hours dump, after hours rally. High. Not only did this thing dump all the way down here, it made a new high in after hours, higher than what it was trading during regular market hours. Insanity. Sideways trading, open up and pushed. So let me get rid of this after hours right there. So, you know, I was watching it this morning to see if we were going to get more continuation, but nothing. Like we got the push from right here to 180s. You know, I thought we might get a VWAP 90 MA cross and push us to $200. I could have bought the stock. I could have bought some contracts. So, you know, it just could have gone either way for me. But however, it didn't trigger. And then I missed this dump here. So no shorts for me there or puts. So I was also watching BA, NVAX, and SQ. Now, SQ really had me intrigued. We had this push, reclaim a VWAP. And in here, I was really, really intrigued. But I didn't focus on it. I went off to look at something else and I missed out on buying it for the push up. And you know what? I'm glad I did because it saved me money because the thing dumped. A lot of dumps today, guys. As you can see, that seems to be the theme here. And then finally, where did I go, guys? Good old Tesla, which has not been an easy trade today in the least bit. However, I am green on the day and I went in with a specific plan and I executed it perfectly. I was looking for a dump to a new low, and I caught this trade in here for a quick profit. Let me grab that live trade here for you so you can see it. It's super fast. It's not a long trade at all. Very fast trade. I'll go ahead, grab that here, and let's make this screen so you could see it. I'm in just one contract, 1500 put. Okay, so these were already in the money. 1500 put. It had the best volume that I could find at least. So that's, you know, that's what I like to trade, the best volume contract. And let's see, where's my mouse? And that's it. That's all I had right there. I'm in at $41.64, and I'm just looking for a quick flash to the downside. I'll put out an order on the ask and make my money. And let's see here. How long was this video? 47 seconds. Very, very, very quick trade, like I said. So right there, you know, we're looking to see if we get that push. One of the reasons why I only took one contract, one of the reasons it's been so far my only trade on Tesla this morning is because the volume, while it seems big, it's been very, very, very sporadic and spotty, very slow movements on Tesla, causing the time value to decay quickly on the options contract. So I was like, I'm going to minimize my risk here tremendously. And, you know, that's it. One contract. Watch, it's coming right here. It should be coming right here. There we go. I put on my order and boom, I get filled. It went up to 44.25 or so. Let's see here. Is that as expensive as it got? Yeah. And then it just bounced right back up. So right then and there was my trade. I nailed it for a quick $234. Green is good. That's over a double on the day. And Monday was excellent. Tuesday was amazing. Today, good day. Consistency is what wins in this game. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I hope you're staying safe. Market's pushing up, pushing up. It doesn't care about anything about stimulus or delays. None of that nonsense. It says it doesn't care. It just keeps going. Look at the SPY. Stay safe, guys. Remember to comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. Smash that like button for me, and I will catch you on the next one.